In this video, I will show you how you can see your Steam password even when you're logged into your account. Now, this is useful if you wanna remember your password before logging out. So what you can do is you need to go to Steam, going to Settings. From in here, you're gonna go into Security. And from in here, you should see Account Name and Change Password. Click on Change Password, and you should come to this place. Now, the first you can do is send a confirmation to my Steam mobile app. This is really easy if you have your Steam app activated. However, if you don't have that, you can click on I no longer have access to my Steam Guard mobile authenticator. Click on this one. From here, you can get it sent to your phone number. That's easy as well. However, if you don't have that, you can click on you don't have access to this phone number. Then you get the option to get it sent to your email. If you still don't have that, you can click here. Now from here, it's gonna ask you to type in your password, but obviously you probably don't remember it, so you can press I forgot my password. Now from in here, they're gonna help you. You just have to answer some questions and some proof of purchase. Once you've done that, tell them here you've got the password, or you want to know your current password, and press send. Hopefully that should help you. Thank you guys for watching.